Welcome to part 3 of my Spider-Man cosplay series. Today I will be showing you how I sewed the mask. I started by sewing an invisible zipper along the back seam. If you are unfamiliar with how to sew an invisible zipper, I've left links to some helpful tutorials in the description. Make sure when sewing to align the web lines correctly. I sewed the zipper until a few inches away from the end of the seam. I folded the zipper out of the way, then sewed the rest of the seam. Next, I sewed the front of the side pieces to the front piece. I used a straight stitch, but I should have used a zigzag stitch because it allows the fabric to still stretch a little on the seam. I remembered to use a zigzag stitch on the rest of the suit though. After that, I sewed along the side seams. After, I went back and sewed over all the seams again for extra strength. And I hemmed the edge of the neck opening of the mask. Once the mask was sewn, I put it on the face shell and clipped the mask to the face shell to keep the fabric stretched out. You won't need to do this next step if you used strong enough magnets, but mine weren't, so I had to glue some extra magnets to the mask itself, so the lenses will be able to stay on. Once the magnets were glued in, I trimmed away the extra fabric. And once the lenses are placed in the eye sockets, the Spider-Man mask is finished. Thanks for watching. In the next video, I will be sewing the pants, so be sure to click the notification bell so you don't miss that video. And if you missed the last episode, click here for the full playlist. That's it for now. I'll see you next time.